If you've been wondering whether Lootwox is legit or just another online platform to avoid, you're not alone. In this 2026 review, I'll go over what I found and whether it's actually worth trying. Lootwox presents itself as a platform that offers users the chance to access rewards and online deals. At first glance, the website looks simple and easy to use. But as always, a professional-looking website doesn't automatically mean it's trustworthy. One thing I always recommend is checking for clear company information. Does the platform explain who owns it? Is there a working customer support system? Are the terms and conditions easy to find? These details matter because legitimate businesses are usually transparent. Another important step is looking at real user reviews. Some people report positive experiences, while others mention delays, missing rewards, or difficulties getting responses from customer support. Mixed feedback like this doesn't necessarily mean it's a scam, but it should encourage you to be careful. If you're thinking about signing up, avoid spending money right away. Test the platform first. Never share sensitive personal information unless you're confident the website is secure and trustworthy. It's also a good idea to read the refund policy before making any purchases. So, is Lootwox legit? Based on the available information, there's no clear evidence proving it's an outright scam. However, there also isn't enough information to call it completely risk-free. That's why I recommend approaching it with caution.